Welcome to EasyWeb Updatable QR Codes, the marketing solution for a mobile market, brought to you by EasyWeb Business. Well, what are QR codes? Well, QR stands for Quick Response and basically means that the information represented by the QR code, that funny looking square on your screen, can be delivered to a mobile phone at a high rate of speed. Well, we're all familiar with the UPC barcodes that are scanned when we shop at the store these days, and that product barcode is providing the product number, description, and price. Very limited data. Whereas with a QR code, it's like a UPC barcode on steroids, able to deliver far more information and at a high rate of speed. Well, QR codes have been around since 1994 when they were first developed by Toyota to track auto parts, and until recently have mainly been used for industrial applications. So what changed? The smartphone. The real potential of QR codes comes from the incredible marketing potential they present and the fact that QR codes are easy to generate and easy for someone to read on their mobile phone. Software like Coyote.com allows you to generate your own QR code in seconds, which can then be read from a free QR reader app for the iPhone, Droid phones, Blackberries, and basically every smartphone or mobile phone with a camera. We happen to like the Enigma app and the ScanLife app, and both are free. There are many other choices for free QR code readers and more apps coming on the market every day. So what can the standard QR codes do? Well, they can connect a person equipped with a camera phone or a smartphone and a QR reader app software like ScanLife or Enigma, not only to text, contact information, email, instant message and SMS, a website, a phone number, and many other applications that we're having developed right now for EasyWeb Business. Well, what is the marketing potential for QR codes? Well, Comcast did some research in 2011, and they found that in the month of June alone, over 14 million Americans scanned a QR code from their mobile phone. They also found that in October, 20 million people scanned a QR code. Interestingly, 53% of all the QR code scanners were between the ages of 18 and 34. But one of the most important marketing statistics they came up with was that 36% had a household income of at least $100,000. Well, new applications for QR codes are developing every day, and some of the most obvious applications would be on product labels, directing you to the manufacturer's website where the product can be described in more detail, or even a video showing you how to use the product can be seen. We've also seen QR codes showing up in magazines and flyers where often you might find a QR code associated with a coupon. They've also been seen on billboards, business cards, and even retail signs. We're also seeing QR codes starting to show up at conventions, on badges, and on real estate signs, and at auto dealers. And wouldn't it be nice to go car shopping on a Sunday afternoon and get all the information and the pricing about a car without having to deal with a sales rep, and all you had to do was scan a QR code? Not bad. And there's even some creative uses of QR codes like a tattoo, and even on tombstones. As great as QR codes are, there's an inherent problem with the standard QR code you see today. It always stays the same, even when the information it links to changes. And that's a problem when you just printed all your business cards with a QR code, and then you have to change your email address, your phone number, or you moved your office. Now everyone who has your QR code in their phone or on their business card goes to the wrong phone number, email address, physical address, even the wrong website address. And that's a bit more problematic when you've just printed a billboard with your QR code or even placed a tattoo in a conspicuous area. So with the EasyWeb updatable QR code, your data can change. Your email address, your website, your phone number, your special offer, and your QR code never has to change. It's always up to date. You can change the contact information, deal, or links as often as you want. So there's no more wasted money on marketing materials that are outdated because your information has changed. Plus, Our QR code can be scanned as small as 8mm by 8mm, about a ½ inch by a ½ inch, making it ideal for business cards, product labels, and much more. So with the EasyWeb QR code, your data can change, but your QR code can always stay the same and always be up to date. Here's a chart comparing the EasyWeb QR code to standard QR codes, and besides our code being updatable, it also provides you with a mobile landing page even if you don't have a website or your current website is not properly optimized for mobile landing page. Ours is. And another great feature is that our QR code is trackable, providing you with measurable statistics that will help you in your marketing efforts. Here's some sample mobile pages that have been built with the EasyWeb QR code. And you can see that we can include your logo, a header, a footer, and icons representing such things as your phone number, your email, directions to your location, your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and even special offers. Well, to get started with your EasyWeb updatable QR code, your customers simply start by downloading the free QR reader software that's compatible with their phone. And as we mentioned, we recommend either the ScanLife or Enigma. Your customers then scan your QR code into their phone, and a live link to your website, phone number, a map to your address, your email, and even your social media are then available at the touch of a button. The great thing about the EasyWeb updatable QR codes is that you can have a link on your mobile landing page to almost anything. Your website, your map to your location, your phone number, deals button, email, social networks, and we even have 5 customizable links as well. Plus, best of all, is you can change the hot buttons as often as you want at no additional cost. These interactive features are included with your EasyWeb updatable QR code. A new feature that's recently been added is that if you or your company has a custom app, you can now link to that app with the EasyWeb updatable QR system. And best of all, you can always change the links as often as you want and at no additional cost. And those are exclusive features that you're going to find only with the EasyWeb QR code system. Another feature that's been recently updated is with our email hot link. Now you can customize the message that is displayed and sent, saving your customer or prospect the trouble of having to type in a message after they've scanned your QR code. So now you can show someone your QR code right on your phone or your PC if you don't have a business card with you. And you can even add your own logo to the EasyWeb QR code. And here's a sample mobile landing page built with the EasyWeb QR code system. We have a number of new features that will be added shortly, including a real estate module, a fundraising module, and an exciting new module that will enable someone to scan your QR code and have your information go directly into their contact file. And we're just getting started. The EasyWeb updatable QR code is available for only $49.95 a year, and you can sign up now and have your QR code in just minutes. And if you're interested, we have an affiliate program available as well.